Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am David.
And hello from me too. I am Alice. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Yes, today we have a very special topic. It is something we all do every single day. We are going to talk about our night routine.
That is right, David. A night routine. Let us say that phrase together slowly. Night routine.
Night routine. Alice, what does routine mean? Can you explain it simply for our friends?
Of course, David. A routine is just a list of things you do regularly. Things you do almost every day in the same order. So, a night routine is what you do before you go to sleep.
Perfect. A night routine helps us relax. It helps us prepare for a good night of sleep.
Exactly. And today, we want to help you learn English words and phrases about this. It is real English for daily life.
Before we start our chat, if you like our videos, please click the subscribe button. It helps our channel grow, and you will never miss a lesson.
Yes, give us a thumbs up too. It makes us very happy. Now, David, let us talk about the evening. When does your night routine start?
Well, Alice, my night routine starts right after dinner. After I finish eating, I start to relax. What about you?
For me, it starts after dinner too. The first thing I do is clear the table. I clear the table.
Oh, that is a good phrase. Clear the table. That means you take the plates and glasses away, right?
Yes, David. I take them to the kitchen. Then I wash the dishes.
Ah, wash the dishes. Do you wash them by hand or do you use a machine?
I wash them by hand. I find it a little relaxing, actually. The warm water feels nice on my hands. Am I crazy, David?
No, you are not crazy, Alice. Sometimes simple chores can be peaceful. Wash the dishes. Let us repeat that for our listeners. Wash the dishes.
Wash the dishes. Now, David, what do you do after dinner?
After dinner, I like to sit on the couch. I sit on the couch and I rest for a few minutes. I do not look at my phone. I just sit quietly.
Wow, no phone? That is amazing. I always look at my phone on the couch. I need to change that.
It is hard, Alice, but it helps my brain relax. Sit on the couch. Couch is another word for sofa, right?
Yes, couch and sofa mean the same thing. I sit on the couch. You sit on the couch.
After I rest on the couch, I go to the kitchen to make a warm drink. I love a warm drink at night.
Oh, what kind of drink do you make? Do you drink coffee at night?
Oh no, Alice, no coffee. If I drink coffee at night, I will never sleep. Coffee has caffeine. It keeps you awake.
Right. No coffee at night. That is a big mistake. So, what do you drink?
I drink herbal tea, usually chamomile tea. It is very calm. It has no caffeine.
Chamomile tea. That sounds lovely. Let us say that phrase. Drink herbal tea.
Drink herbal tea. It is warm and nice. Alice, do you drink tea at night?
Sometimes, but I usually prefer a warm glass of milk. Warm milk makes me feel sleepy.
Warm milk is great too. So we have drink tea and drink milk. Excellent words for a night routine.
After I have my warm drink, I start my bathroom routine. This is very important.
Oh yes, the bathroom routine. What is the first thing you do in the bathroom, Alice?
First, I brush my teeth. This is super important. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes.
2 minutes? That is perfect. Let us repeat this important phrase. Brush my teeth.
Brush my teeth. David, do you brush your teeth before or after you change into your pajamas?
Let me think. I usually brush my teeth before I change into my pajamas.
Ah, okay. I do it after. I guess everyone is different.
That is true. Everyone has a different routine, but we all brush our teeth. I brush my teeth, you brush your teeth, we brush our teeth.
And what do we use to brush our teeth, David?
We use a toothbrush and toothpaste.
Toothbrush and toothpaste. Simple words, but very useful.
Next, I wash my face. I use warm water and a gentle soap to wash my face. It feels so refreshing after a long day.
Wash my face. That is a wonderful habit. I wash my face too. It removes all the dirt from the day.
Yes, wash my face. Let us say it slowly. Wash my face.
Wash my face. And after you wash your face, do you dry it with a towel?
Yes, I dry it with a clean towel. Then I put on some lotion, skin lotion. It keeps the skin soft.
Oh, you take good care of your skin, David. That is awesome.
Thanks, Alice. I try. Now, what about you? What do you do after brushing your teeth?
I take a warm shower. Some people like morning showers, but I love night showers. It relaxes my muscles.
Oh, a night shower is the best. Take a shower. Or some people take a bath. Do you take a bath sometimes, Alice?
Rarely. A shower is faster. But a bath is nice when you have a lot of time. Let us practice both. Take a shower and take a bath.
Take a shower. Take a bath. Both are great for a night routine.
After my shower, I change my clothes. I put on my pajamas.
Pajamas. I love pajamas. They are the most comfortable clothes in the world.
They really are. My pajamas are very soft and loose. We can say put on pajamas or change into pajamas.
Put on pajamas. Let us say that together. Put on pajamas.
Put on pajamas. David, what color are your pajamas?
Mine are blue and gray. Simple colors. What about yours, Alice?
Mine have yellow ducks on them. They are very funny, but so warm.
Yellow ducks. That sounds amazing, Alice. Very fun.
Yes, it makes me smile before bed. Now, after we put on our pajamas, we leave the bathroom. What do you do next, David?
I go into my bedroom. The bedroom is the place for sleep. I like to make sure my bedroom is ready for sleep.
How do you make it ready?
Well, I turn off the big light. The big light is too bright. I turn on a small lamp. A small lamp gives a soft, warm light.
Oh, that is a great tip. Turn off the light and turn on the lamp. Let us look at those actions. Turn off, turn on. They are opposites.
Exactly. Turn off means to stop the electricity. Turn on means to start it. Turn off the light. Turn on the lamp.
I do that too, David. Soft light tells our eyes that it is time to sleep. It is very peaceful.
Yes. Then I prepare my bed. I pull back the blankets.
Pull back the blankets. That means you open the bed so you can get inside, right?
Yes, Alice. I pull back the blankets and fluff my pillows.
Fluff the pillows. That is a fun phrase. It means you hit the pillows gently to make them soft and big again.
Yes, fluff the pillows. Everyone likes a fluffy pillow.
Definitely. Now, when you are in bed, do you go to sleep immediately or do you do something else?
I usually do not sleep right away. I like to read a book. I read a book for about 15 or 20 minutes.
Reading a book is a wonderful night routine. What kind of books do you read at night?
I read fiction stories. Easy stories. Nothing too exciting or scary. No horror books at night.
Yes, no scary books. You do not want nightmares. Read a book. Let us repeat that. Read a book.
Read a book. Alice, do you read books at night?
Sometimes, but honestly, I prefer to listen to something. I listen to a podcast or I listen to relaxing music.
Listen to music. That is very popular. Relaxing music, like classical music or nature sounds. Rain sounds are very nice.
Yes, I love the sound of rain. It helps me fall asleep. I play rain sounds on my small speaker.
Listen to rain sounds. That sounds very cozy.
It is. Another thing I sometimes do in bed is write in my journal.
Oh, write in a journal? Tell us more about that.
I have a small notebook next to my bed. Every night, I write down 3 things I am grateful for. 3 good things that happened today.
Wow, Alice, that is a beautiful habit. Write in a journal. It helps you think about positive things before you sleep.
Yes, it does. It stops me from worrying about tomorrow. Let us practice that phrase. Write in a journal.
Write in a journal. Very good. So now we are in bed. We have read a book, listened to music, or written in a journal. We are feeling very sleepy. Our eyes are heavy.
Yes, my eyes get very heavy. That means I am ready to close them.
Before I close my eyes, I set my alarm. I need to wake up on time tomorrow morning.
Ah, yes. Set the alarm. Do you use your phone for your alarm, David?
I do, but I set the alarm and then I put my phone far away from my bed, on the dresser across the room.
That is smart. Why do you put it far away?
Because if it is next to my bed, I will look at it in the middle of the night. And in the morning, when the alarm rings, I have to get out of bed to turn it off. It forces me to wake up.
That is a genius plan, David. If my phone is near me, I just press snooze and go back to sleep. Press snooze means to delay the alarm for 10 minutes.
Oh, the snooze button is dangerous. We must avoid the snooze button. So, set the alarm. Let us say it clearly. Set the alarm.
Set the alarm. Excellent. After setting the alarm, it is finally time for the last step of the night routine.
What is the last step, Alice?
I turn off the lamp. The room becomes completely dark.
Turn off the lamp. Then you close your eyes.
I close my eyes, I take a deep breath, and I go to sleep.
Go to sleep or fall asleep. Both mean the same thing.
Yes, fall asleep. Let us practice. Fall asleep.
Fall asleep. And then we sleep for 7 or 8 hours. We have sweet dreams.
Sweet dreams. That is what we say to people we love before they sleep. We say, "Good night, sweet dreams."
Yes, it means we hope they have nice dreams while they sleep. Good night, sweet dreams.
Wow, David, we just talked about a whole night routine. We learned so many great everyday English phrases.
We did! Let us do a quick review of the phrases we learned today, so our listeners can practice their pronunciation. I will say the phrase first, then Alice will say it, and you can say it at home with us.
Perfect. Let us start from the beginning of the evening.
Clear the table.
Clear the table.
Wash the dishes.
Wash the dishes.
Sit on the couch.
Sit on the couch.
Drink herbal tea.
Drink herbal tea.
Brush my teeth.
Brush my teeth.
Wash my face.
Wash my face.
Take a shower.
Take a shower.
Put on pajamas.
Put on pajamas.
Turn off the light.
Turn off the light.
Turn on the lamp.
Turn on the lamp.
Read a book.
Read a book.
Listen to music.
Listen to music.
Write in a journal.
Write in a journal.
Set the alarm.
Set the alarm.
Fall asleep.
Fall asleep.
Great job, everyone! Repeating these words aloud is the best way to improve your English speaking.
It really is. Do not be shy. Even if you are alone, say the words out loud. It helps your mouth get used to English sounds.
Now, let us play a small game to help you think in English. I will ask a question, and you can try to answer it in your mind, or say it out loud. Alice can answer too.
Oh, I love games. What is the first question, David?
Question number 1. What do you wear when you go to sleep? Do you wear jeans, or do you wear pajamas?
Let me think. I definitely do not wear jeans to bed. That would be very uncomfortable. I wear pajamas.
Correct! We wear pajamas to bed. What about you at home? Did you get it right? I am sure you did.
Okay, my turn to ask a question. Question number 2. What do you use to clean your teeth? Do you use a hairbrush or do you use a toothbrush?
Oh wow, a hairbrush for teeth? That would hurt a lot. The answer is a toothbrush. We use a toothbrush and toothpaste to brush our teeth.
Yes, a toothbrush. Good job, David.
Here is question number 3. If you want the room to be dark, do you turn on the light or do you turn off the light?
To make the room dark, we must turn off the light. Turn off.
Exactly. Turn off the light. You are doing great, Alice.
Thank you. Learning English is fun when we use examples from daily life.
It truly is. Night routines are common to everyone, everywhere in the world.
Yes, but everyone does it a little differently, and that is beautiful.
We want to connect with you now. We want to know about your daily life.
Yes, please tell us in the comment section below. What is your favorite part of your night routine? Do you like reading a book? Do you like taking a warm shower? Or do you just love falling asleep?
Write your answer in simple English in the comments. We read your comments and we love seeing your practice.
It is a wonderful way to interact with other English learners from around the world. You are all part of our English learning family.
Thank you so much for listening to us today. Keep practicing, speak slowly, and be patient with yourself. Learning a language takes time, and you are doing wonderful progress.
Yes, be proud of yourself for studying today. Have a beautiful evening, a relaxing night, and as we said earlier, good night and sweet dreams.
Goodbye, everyone. See you in the next video.
Bye-bye.